What's up, guys? My name is Cornelius Robinson, and in this video, I'm going through everything I did to build an automated irrigation controller. So let's get into it. What I thought would be a simple project has taken months in the making. Every year, my wife likes to grow a vegetable garden, but over or underwatering has been a big concern. With that in mind, I started designing a solution. I'm using an Arduino that controls a couple of MOSFETs that will turn on the solenoid valves. Add in a voltage regulator and a couple of LEDs and we're good to go. Anyway, moving on to the PCB design. As many of you know, I use Flux to design all of my boards. It's a free browser-based PCB design tool, which means you can access this project using the link in the video description. While I was waiting for the PCB to be manufactured, I started working on laying out the valves and assembling the manifold. In hindsight, there may have been an easier way to do this, but it worked for this project. Okay, once I received the bare PCB, it was time to start my favorite part, which is soldering. Next, I needed to set up the code. I'm using Arduino's IoT cloud. I set up some variables to be monitored or changed between the Arduino and the cloud. I also set up a really simple dashboard to turn on the water manually, in addition to setting a recurring schedule. Finally, we just needed to connect the solenoid valves to the board and power it up. Now, a couple of mistakes I made with this board is the push buttons for manual control. They're meant to override the Arduino and turn on the valve, which does work, but for some reason they also reset the Arduino. If I had to do it again, I'd use the push buttons to toggle the valves on and off. Anyway, that's it for this video. Give it a like and subscribe for more content just like this.